Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really super cool work light. And it is amazing because I've never seen anything quite like it. It is portable, yet versatile, and I'm gonna show you why. One, you've got 3 lights. And when I say 3 lights, they're 3 articulating lights that can adjust sideways, upways, downways, any which way that you need to have it, or pop them off and they become a separate light. And each one of these lights can run independently of itself, or it can run on the main unit. And it charges itself using the main unit as well. I mean, this 5,000 lumens worth of brightness. And so that is great that you can actually use those separate. You can stick them on things, you can hang them on things. They've got magnets on the back, they've got hangers you can put on. So you can stick these things anywhere you want to stick them, hang them where you want to hang them. I mean, it's really fantastic. Even the main part of these can dim, they can strobe, they can attach back on here. We actually got a base on this guy here that actually allows you to turn that off. It's too bright in my eyes here. On the bottom of this one's got magnets on it as well that also swivel out to give you more base on this so that you can actually articulate this even further, because this will turn 360 degrees sideways. Like I said, it cocks back and can hold it using those. It even has magnets on the back of that thing that allows it to stick on something else. So this is a really neat and interesting product, and the fact that all this charges up using a USB cable allows you to do that pretty much anywhere you want to do it. I want to run this outside and show you how portable this is and kind of show you how this can work outside. I mean, I'm outside right now, even in the middle of the day, and you can see even if you had some close work, maybe you do some tuck pointing work, very portable. Look how much brighter that is. I mean, this is in the middle of the day, and this thing has the ability to do this, tilt these around, turn them on, and when you're working this, and they're all attached together, you can actually work them independently with just the one button on the back, which is great, or again, pop them off. And this even has the ability, I noticed, to screw this into a mount. So if you had your own mount, you want to mount this up higher, you can easily do that. It's even got an LED indicator on the back that shows you how much battery life is left. I mean, this is a great versatile product that would work great in anybody's workshop, or keep it as a spare for whenever you have a power outage.